Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, a series of videos where we try to answer your questions. And if you're wondering what are chicken and pigs doing in this video, well, they do have something to do with project management. They do have something to do with Scrum. And that's a question that I got on Twitter the other day about why have we not taken an example of chicken and pigs. There is a popular fable around chicken and pigs that a lot of trainers and mentors like to use when they are teaching Scrum. So I thought let's use this opportunity and cover this chicken and pigs scenario when it comes to Scrum. As always, there are important links in the description. The first link is all our Lounge Fever videos. That is all your FAQs around Agile that we have answered so far. That would be the first link in the description. The second one is all the videos that we have done on Agile so far. And that playlist is going to help you out if you're preparing for your PMP exam. That is a list of all the videos that you should watch if you want to cover the agile part of PMP exam. If you're preparing for your PMI-ACP exam, then you should check the third link out. So let's get started and understand what chicken and pigs have to do with Scrum. A quick reminder, please hit the like button. That seems to be the only way YouTube is going to let you know the next time we upload new content. So here's the story that I was talking about. You have a chicken and a pig, and the chicken says, "Hey pig, we should open a restaurant." The pig says, "I'm not sure. What would we call it? Ham and eggs." Now the pig here is thinking, "No thanks. I would be committed and you'd only be involved." So the pig uses two words here, which is what we have to discuss today: committed and involved. So in the restaurant known as Ham and Eggs, the chicken is going to be involved, but the pig is going to be committed. Why so? So this story is actually a good way to understand the difference between involvement and commitment. You see, the chicken is only involved because all that the chicken needs to do as part of running this restaurant is lay eggs. But the pig is totally committed because the pig has to let himself get eaten just for this restaurant, right? So that is the difference between involvement and commitment. The chicken is involved, but the pig is committed. And a lot of teams out there, a lot of Scrum teams actually like to use this story and actually like to use this terminology as well to determine which people that they are interacting with are chickens and which one are pigs. And there are certain cultures out there who find this word pig as an insult, but there even there some teams like to use this terminology. Now the Scrum value of commitment, which is exactly what is highlighted here, the Scrum value of commitment, that's what is highlighted as part of this story. And it means that when you're in a Scrum team, you genuinely believe that your professional success or failure rests on your ability to deliver valuable software. And that makes you a committed pig, actually, right? Your users and stakeholders, they may have a big interest, right? They are like chickens. They may have a big interest in the project getting done, but they are also important to the project, but they don't feel the same sense of strong personal commitment as pigs might do. So that's the difference between involvement and commitment. And that is why this story is so popular when we talk about Scrum. If you have nothing to do with project management and you want to get started, then we have a free training for you called Project Management for Non-Project Managers. Head over to pmclounge.com/pm for non-PM and check it out. So let's look at some team members as well. There are certain core roles. These are the ones who are known as pigs. They are the committed pigs. And then there are some ancillary roles who are known as chickens. These people are involved but not committed. So you have product owner, scrum master, development team. These are the core roles in Scrum. While you have users, stakeholders, managers, higher management, these are the supportive roles, ancillary roles in Scrum. Question for this video: do you use this terminology? Do you know that something like this is used? Have you studied this? Let me know in the comments. Definitely looking forward to your answers. And that's all that we had in this video. I hope you were able to understand the difference between involvement and commitment. And I hope you enjoyed the chicken and pigs story. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload new content. And check out our website, pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP and project management resource.